None of this is OSHA approved. Enter at your own risk. It should also state the golden rule applies here. Treat others the way you like and want to be treated. Anyway, after that public service announcement, let's take a look inside and see what's going on here. Project Jekyll and Hyde. Kind of 157,000 mile short block 318. Power a 3,000 pound duster into 10-second time slips. That's the question. All right. Oh, hey. Boxes from Classic Industries, seat foam for our 1973 Roadrunner project. Or is it a satellite with a Roadrunner hood? That's a question. What's the driveline for? Well, that driveline belongs to a 1973 Dodge Dart 340 Sport. All those names, good grief. Yeah, it's quite the mouthful. Anyway, that driveline, that's a numbers matching 340 car. And I'm thinking about some type of off-road go-kart machine out of it or something. You'll see why. I mean, I showed the taillight panel on it before. It's all hacked to pieces. Looks like we have some documentation here for our 1973 Roadrunner project, affectionately known as Roadie. Optioned with a 400 and 4-speed. And we'll go over what makes it numbers matching. And we'll start right here in the door jamb. Here we go. Date of manufacture 7/1973. RM21P3G 267204. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit difficult, maybe. Oh, I can see it. RM21P3G 267204. Look at that sticker. 1979. So anyway, with better lighting, we'll get down here to this body identification plate, affectionately known as a fender tag, and we can go over all that good stuff. So I can crawl underneath it as well, and we'll get the VIN number off the 400 along the passenger side pan rail, and then on the passenger side of its A833 4-speed, we'll get the 267204 with the P3, or pardon me, the St. Louis 3G. So yeah, let's continue on with that in just a moment.